Hey guys, and welcome back again to Tech and Connect. Today I'm going to be installing my graphics card and motherboard into my case. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, that's the motherboard installed. Looking good. Okay, to install the graphics card I suggest removing this peg that's made for the front screen and also one half of the power supply bracket, as it gets into your way when you're trying to tighten down this retention bracket. So first step I'd say is insert the ribbon cable into the motherboard. Okay, that's it. And then take the graphics card and install that onto the ribbon cable. Making sure it goes in properly. Tighten down the graphics card with some thumb screws. And then finish by screwing down the bracket for the ribbon cable. There you go. Graphics card installed. Okay, so the next step I'm going to be installing my RAM. I've got Trident Z RGB RAM, and on my motherboard you have to slot the outer two sockets first. That's one. That's number two. There we go. Okay, that's it for this build log, guys. After tonight my computer is a lot fuller than it was. In the next video I'll probably put in all the pipes for the water cooling and hopefully do a leak test. Hey guys, and welcome back again to Tech and Connect. Today I'm going to be continuing my hardline tubing bends. I got a couple of bends to do. The first one is just a short bend like this, and then the second one's going to probably be a long-ish bend like this, and then the last bend is going to be up and straight to the radiator. So yeah, let's start doing that. So I had a tiny bend that I pre-bended and I just cut it to size just to fill in this one here. I'll get a close up later on. And yeah, so I'm just quickly sanding it down to shape, beveling the edges, and yeah, then I'll install it. Okay, so the first tube I'm going to be bending is the one going from my pump to my graphics card. And you might ask why I'm crossing over this one, because mine's better, and also EK suggests that it runs from the side first. I don't know. Let's see. Looks good. Let's just trim it to the length. So with that pipe in, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, with this pipe here in, I have to just finish this one up here quickly. It comes out here, goes up, and then that way, and then into the radiator. Cool, that's all. Okay, cool. I accidentally didn't film this last bend, but yeah, it is bent and it looks like it's gonna fit. So hopefully I got it right this time. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, this is it guys. After about a week and a half troubleshooting, buying a new motherboard, I had a lot of problems with it, probably draining the loop 6 or 7 times just to diagnose my issue. I realized that my ribbon cable running to my graphics card was faulty. So yeah, let's do this. I'm so excited to show you guys. I know it's not exactly how it's supposed to be, but it's pretty close. It is pretty close. And here's my whole setup. Hope you guys liked this video. Like it if you liked it. Share, comment, subscribe. And yeah, there will be a list down in this description of where you can find all the products featured in this build. Soon I'm gonna be reviewing my new keyboard and mouse. That'll be up probably next week sometime.